gate, and we will be ready to go. All right, thumbs up all around. Pilots ready for flight. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
And there they go as the 100 scholars race into the neutral zone and put on the brakes. In autonomous, crossing that baseline, gaining 5 points for their alliance. And now we're down to 1 second left to go in the match. The Red Alliance had 3 bots cross over the baseline. And they also scored a rotor in autonomous, gaining 60 points for that rotor in autonomous. Now for each rotor that goes into action, as the Red Alliance 100 Scholars pilot picks up, places it in the gear set, turns the crank. It starts the second rotor, worth an additional 40 points. As the Blue Alliance places 1 gear, she collects the second gear and places it into the gear set, turns the crank, and the second rotor turns for the Blue Alliance. 115 to 95, the difference right now. 60 points gained for that first rotor in autonomous. Gave them 20 additional points as the bots move up and down the field. The circuit runners pass 3091 in the center and now deliver a gear to their airship. Want to try to get that third rotor going. They need 1 more gear to start the third rotor for another 40 points. As the Blue Alliance needs 4 gears delivered to their airship in order to get the third rotor turning. The Red Alliance now has their third rotor turning. As we're down to 50 seconds left to go in the match. Still plenty of time as the 4th rotor gear set has now begun. They need 6 additional gears as 2 have been placed. 4 more needed to start that 4th rotor. As 3573 releases 100 fuel elements out on the field. 5632 pushes the elements down the field as we're down to 27 seconds left. The ropes are being deployed on the red airship. As 3091, the 100 Scholars grabs hold and they're ready for flight. They're in contact with that pad. As the circuit runners, they're in contact with the pad. That's 2 bots in contact with the touchpad, signaling that they're ready for flight on the Red Alliance. The 100 Scholars and the circuit runners ready for takeoff at the end of the match. All right, they're off into the air one more time as the Red Alliance crosses the finish line with a score 255 to 100. All right, here we go. A word from Aflac.
Aflac.
He told me he was good, dude.
Yeah, he stinks at golf, but he was great to get my claim paid fast.
How fast?
Mine got paid in 1 day.
Wow, that's awesome. Is that legal?
Big fat no.
In just 1 day, we process approve and pay. 1 day pay, only from Aflac.
All right, 5 more matches to go.